Yeah. Hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome all my new subscribers to your new and fresh episode on my noble and humble channel. Here we always talk about how to make money online, talk about tech videos, lifestyle, and at times to talk about travel. Yeah. So no time to waste. A lot of people have been in my DM asking me how they can create a dollar account for a dollar arbitrage in Ghana. Yeah, so we have a lot of platform that you can use for arbitrage, that you can use for exchanging money and things. Yeah, and the reason why I'm recommending this app for you is like you can also get partners on the same app to, let's say, foreign partners to do your trade with them. Yeah, to do the arbitrage with them. Yeah, so no time to waste. I want to show you how you can create a dollar account for a dollar arbitrage in Ghana. It's very simple. So first of all, I have a link in my description. Yeah, you can click on the link and download Eversend from it. And when you download Eversend from that link, you will get free 1 month deposit without any fee. You can deposit money into your account 1 month without paying any fee. If you download Eversend from my link, you will deposit money in your account without any fee. Yeah. So let's jump straight and let me show you how you can create your dollar account for a dollar arbitrage without in Ghana. In Ghana without anything like, yeah. So this is how we do it. Let me log out from my demo account and let me show you how you can create your dollar account for dollar arbitrage. A lot of people will be saying that, bro, like I just create the account and I can't see any currency. I can't do this. I can't add my mobile number. I can't deposit. I can't do this. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, but the thing is, like, you didn't create the account very well. And I have a masterclass next month. If you join, everything is inside, and I'll mentor you for 3 months. Yeah, so I'll show you how to trade, how to do your arbitrage, yeah, partners that you have to seek for to do your arbitrage and everything. I'll show you everything. Yeah. So I want to show you how you can create your dollar account for your dollar arbitrage in Ghana. So first of all, when you open the app, this is how it will appear. So you will add a Gmail. You add a Gmail. So let's go straight here. Let me check some of the people I've been creating an account for them, whether we can use some of their Gmails to do this tutorial. So let me use this one I've used for before. Let me try and use Mabel Films. Mabel Films. Mabel Films. Mabel Films. Let me use Mabel Films to do it. And let me log in into so that it will not delay us yet. So let me log into so yeah, so Mabel Films. So this is how you do it. You have to always make sure that the Gmail you're using is a Gmail that works 24/7. It's a correct Gmail, a Gmail that you have access to it, because they will send some code to that Gmail. So if you don't have access to that Gmail, you will not get the code. Obviously, they will send some code to that Gmail. So I'll go straight to the Gmail and copy the code. I think the code can last for, let's say, 1 minute or 2 minutes, yeah, before you can get it. So let me copy the code. Then I'll come straight to Eversend. So I've input the code. So this where people do mistakes. You see. So if you are a Ghanaian and you're doing this thing, you have to do the country Ghana. Because if you do the country, let's say Nigeria, blah 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 blah, you get access to Naira accounts. You not get access to Ghana Cedis accounts. You see. So since we are creating a dollar account for dollar arbitrage in Ghana, we will link it to Ghana. The country should be Ghana. Then you enter a valid number. And let me tell you one thing about this thing. Don't enter the number that you have used before. Don't do that. Don't enter a number that you have used before. So if I enter the number that I've used before, it will take me straight to my old account. I hope you understand. It will take me to my old account and they will ask me to input a code that they have sent to that number. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's how it is. So I have to enter a random number for you to know, and it shouldn't supposed to be start from zero. Let's say this 24689. So if I click on continue, they will send some code to that number. So if they send the code to that number, then I will add the code to the box they'll provide. Then it will trade the account. But because I don't have a different number, I just enter random number. So if I click on continue, you'll see that they will send some code. You'll be verifying the phone number. Is this okay, or would you like to edit the number? So if you go to the edit number, they will tell you to, let's say, watch whether you enter a bad, like incorrect number or something like that. So if you check and the number is correct, you click on the continue and you click on OK. So they will send a code to this number. But because they'll send a code to this number. So you have to enter the code. But because I don't have access to the number, so I cannot enter anything. So if the code is supposed to be like this and I enter continue, it will take me there. But it's incorrect code, so it will not work. So after this part, what it's left for you to do, it's your verification. What's left for you to do is verification. And one thing about the verification is, one, you need identity card and your facial. The reason why people get this wrong, the reason why people get this wrong is the reason why so the reason why people get this wrong is like they don't follow instructions and they don't consult people who are already in the business. You see, yeah, because doing your verification, first of all, you shouldn't wear any glasses, you shouldn't put on any chain, and your ID card must be current ID card and must be visible. And advise people not to do your verification indoors. You have to do your verification outdoor, like outside or a place that you have enough sunlight to do your facial verification. Because when you're doing your facial verification, they'll try to compare the facial to the face on the ID card. So when it's not matching, the verification will be 10 as what incomplete. So you have to take good notice about these things. Yeah. So after doing the facial verification, they will verify it and they will tell you to add your accounts. So this is how all the accounts will appear. They will all be inactive, giving you only USD and the Ghana cedis. I'm coming. I click on the USD. That is why it's doing that. But I want to show you something. Okay, so these two crests. Okay, so like everything will be inactive. That means the inactive wallet means that this wallet is not available right now. So if I go to my here, like my homepage, you see that there will not be USD or Rwanda France. There will be only three. So if I come here and I want to add enough wallet to my active wallet, I'll click on it and I'll add active. So if I click on active, that means it's an active wallet and I can what? I can use it for my exchange. I can use it to save money. You see? Yeah, so if I click on active, it will be active. So this is how it is. This is how it is. So after this, you're okay. You are okay to go. You're okay to do your exchange. You see that you see your exchange, the currencies over here. Yeah, you're good to do your exchange and everything. You're good to do it. Yeah. So it's very simple for you to create accounts on Eversend, and I advise you to do Eversend because Eversend is very easy to understand. It's very easy to go about it. And it's very easy to also get partners on this app to do your arbitrage. So I think I'm done, and thank you for watching me. I'm out.